Next, I want you to practice dancing from low to high and vice versa, from high to low. So basically just freestyle to your favorite music. Once again, do whatever you want to do while you're dancing and just make sure you get a bit lower, okay? And then practice going up high again and then practice getting low again, okay? Go low, 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 and high, and whatever you want to do, okay? If you want to just spin and get low, or even if you want to just do some hip grinding movements, and then go high, 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 down, forward, and then just maybe knee switch it up, okay? And then you can just jump, whatever you'd like to do, okay? Just practice. Whether it's just jumping down and back up, whether it's slowly going down and then going back up. Practice going low to high, high to low, because there ain't nothing worse than just a guy just refuses to move from here, okay? Gotta get low, okay? Learn how to bend and step and dance with the different body heights, okay? So put a song on, jam to that, and have fun with that one. And the last two exercises in this part is basically drawing with a body part, okay? So for example, your fist right here, or your hand, okay? We're gonna draw a S, okay? An S. Yeah? Or we're gonna do an O. Or we're gonna do a T. Or we're gonna do a B. Okay? So these can be turned into dance moves if you want, but they're also just good exercises, which is why I've included it. So you can do a B with one arm and then do a B again with the other arm in the reverse direction. You know? Or you can try anything you like. Try a P. Or try drawing a picture of, let's say, a fish, for example. So down, up, down, you know? Or even a smiley face. I, boom, smile. You can try all sorts of different things when you're drawing with your body. So try drawing with your chest to begin with, and I want you to draw just basic letters in the alphabet, or try draw your name, or try draw a picture. If you want to draw a C shape, you can go like that, or you can go from high to low. Or if you're going to do the B, we can go boom, boom, boom. Or if you want to do a T, we can go up, across, cross. Up, across, cross. Or if you're trying an S, you go S. So try and draw different shapes with your chest. Now the next exercise after that is drawing shapes with your shoulders, okay? So try draw the same things with your shoulder right here. So try draw the S. You know, try draw a T, up, cross, cross. Try draw the fish. Whoa, whoa. You know, get creative with whatever you want to do. Try the B with this arm, down, in, you know? Just draw the shapes and things with your chest for the first exercise, and then with your shoulders for the next exercise.
Okay, all right. Add it up.